I'm smoke testing this engine and we have a problem with this crank seal again. Now I can't understand it. It's bellowing out of this seal, of the actual seal itself, look. Oh, can you see? Now, the thing is, I was reading the comments and I took the gasket off because I had a little leak here and I realised I had silicone when I was pushing the cover on, the seal on. I had some silicone and it had got under the lip and I thought, oh, that's it. But I'm wondering now if this seal's not too far in, because remember, this isn't a 300 TDI crank, this is a HS 2.8 type crank. I'm just wondering whether this crank was made for a different seal. And I haven't got one. Bugger, let me take it off again and do some measurements. I found the problem, and it wasn't me. Let's have a look at this crank, because I thought it was out of spec. But I measured it up with my caliper that I'm looking around for, and it's exactly the same diameter as the original 300 TDI. The width is exactly the same as the original 300 TDI. I originally thought the seal might have been going on the inside of the crank and not sealing. God, I need a shave, don't I? Right, so let's have a look at what the problem it actually is. And let's do a little zoom, and it's nothing to do with me modifying the seal, by the way, so if you start getting all excited, just watch this, and this is why you have to pay particular attention to parts. How do we start? Well, let's start with the defective seal. This is the one I drilled the holes in. I tried it with a gasket, I tried it without a gasket, and the smoke tester, it was still bubbling round here. Couldn't work it out. So then I tried it with 3 gaskets. And you know, putting the guide thing on, you know, as you do, still leaked. And this is why. It's actually loose. You can move it side to side, look. Didn't even need a bloody toe to put it on. Watch, go this way, look. Absolute cack. Now, just to prove the point, here is an old seal that is warped. Right, this is one I was playing around with, test hole here, remember that? Watch this. Now I'll put it on backwards so we don't have to mess about. Look. There you go. That's what it should be like. The problem being with the original one, which is why you couldn't have any feeling for it, is because when you put it on using this guide, well, once it's on and bolted on, you can't feel it. So, thwarted. I don't think I've got another one. If I have, I'm going to be lucky. Let me go and have a look in the cupboard. I thought I was clutching at straws. No, I haven't got one. Could I put that old one on? Well, not really worth it, is it? It's not worth the risk, is it now? Oh, damn it all, after all that. Yeah. Fortunately, I managed to get the silicone off before it really dried hard. I'm so disappointed in that. That is so out of spec, it's unreal. Look at that. Look. Man, oh man. I wonder how many other people have had that problem with leaks, thinking it's the actual seal that's warped, and it isn't. It's the bloody seal that's out of spec. Like I say, that was straight out the box. It had its guide thing already on. Well, just out of interest, let's try the guide on here. See, that fits into there. Which seal's this one? Oh, this is the old one. See, that fits onto there nice. Where's the knackered one gone? Oh, it's still on here. Yeah, look. I don't know if you can see this. Let's hold this up to the light, up to the postcards. If I haven't given you a shout out for your postcards, it's because I've been so busy lately. I will do a shout out shortly. If you can see that, look. There's a bloody great gap in it now. Look at that. How has that got through there like that? I do not know. Well, How could I have buggered it up though? I can't have done. Might as well just put a bloody cheap one. I might as well put a rope seal in like they used to do in the old days. Right, signing off. Just said that now it's Thursday. I don't think I'll get a seal before too long, so thwarted yet again. I was hoping to get this engine in this weekend. See you later.